In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign into your Steam account. Whether you're a seasoned gamer or just stepping into the vast world of digital gaming, being able to access your Steam account is essential for purchasing, downloading, and playing your favorite games. So let's make sure you can log in without any hiccups. First off, you'll want to open your Steam app. If it's not already installed on your device, you can easily download it from the official Steam website. Once that's done, find the Steam icon on your desktop or in your applications folder and give it a click to get started. This should bring up the main Steam interface where you can see various gaming categories and options. It's essential to make sure your internet connection is stable at this point because a good connection is crucial for Steam to function smoothly. Next, you need to look for the login button. On the Steam interface, this button is typically located at the top right corner of the window. Click on login, which will redirect you to the sign in page. Don't worry if the layout looks slightly different. Sometimes minor updates can change how things look, but the function remains the same. Now you'll see a section prompting you to enter your account name and password. This step is straightforward but crucial. Make sure you type in your exact Steam account name and your password. It's easy to make typos, especially if the password is complex, which it should be for security reasons. Remember, both the account name and password are case sensitive, so double check everything. If you have trouble remembering your password, consider using a password manager to help keep your credentials secure and easily accessible. Once you've entered your details, the next step is to click on the sign in button. If all your information is correct, this action will take you directly to the Steam homepage. Here, you should be able to dive right into the vast selection of games Steam offers, access your library, and manage your account settings. If by chance you encounter an error here, don't panic. It could be due to an incorrect password or even a connection issue. Make sure everything is entered correctly and your internet is working properly. Restarting the app can sometimes solve unexplained issues as well. And there you have it, you're now signed into your Steam account and ready to explore countless gaming adventures. Whether you're here to play, shop, or chat with friends, having easy access to your Steam account ensures you're connected to one of the largest gaming communities online. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.